Hi there, another video here on this channel, and it's part of our Learn HTML the Right Way series. So we are gaining progress. If you've been watching previous video, you will notice that we are gaining progress, and this time we will be discussing HTML attributes. So what are HTML attributes? HTML attributes is a way for you to provide additional information about an HTML element, and they are always positioned at the start tag of your HTML element, and they always come in name value pair. So let's see how we can do that. So this is the start tag of this HTML element, that is this paragraph element. So this is the start tag. So if you want to add additional information about this HTML element, for instance the name, you want to give a unique name to this element so that you can be able to reference it later on. The way you just have to do is that you type name, then you put equal to, then you type in your parenthesis, you type in your quote, double quote in this sense. So let's say description. So I can now be able to identify this element with this name. So what if I want to give ID again? So I can say ID equal to description, then save. Then another way I can say I want to give a title to this element. Now title is just a way to show more information when you hover on that element. Let me say just a short description. So let's save it, then let's come back to our browser. So you can see we are not seeing anything yet displayed on the browser about the attributes. So it's just an internal information about that element. So let's see what we see here. You can see the title we supplied is just showing now. So if I go out and come back in, you can see just a short description. So we have many other attributes you can add to your element. As we go, you begin to see the value of it, but what I just want you to know here now is that we have something called HTML attribute, which is for you to give more information about an element. I can say I want to supply some classes here. For instance, when we are dealing with CSS, we are not there yet, we'll get there, but just relax. So, and many other things like that. So if you have anything that is not clear to you in this video, just send it to the comment. We'll respond to it. Don't forget to like the video also, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you.